So this is my new bike. Today I'm gonna be building up my new bike with all of these awesome parts, and the new bike is the Trek Fuel EX Gen 6. Let's go. So I've already mounted the rear shock, rear brake and dropper, and I've got all of this left to put on. I'm firstly gonna start with the fork, stem and spacers and stem cap and stuff. So the fork and stem is right now mounted on. It was quite a hassle to put the stem on because I forgot to tighten these screws right here. So you can see in the time lapse where I really struggled. I forgot to mention I have the RaceFace Turbine stem in purple and the RockShox Lyrik Ultimate fork, Charger 3. And now it's time to put on the OneUp bars. Bars and grips are already mounted on. I guess you guys can already guess what the theme of the build is. I'm gonna build this bike in a black and purple color. It's gonna be sick. Got these awesome decals from OneUp and Slick Graphics. This build's gonna be sick. Let's continue on by putting on the mounts for the brake, for the rear brake dropper, and then I'm almost gonna put the front brake right now. So yeah, let's head on to the time lapse. So everything has been mounted, rear brake and front brake on the bars with the shifter and dropper. Also mounted up the front brake onto the fork. So I found these clips, they look quite good, clean. Now onto the seat. So I just put on the SSDG Derailleur 3 black and purple seat. Goes amazing with the build. So for the drivetrain, I'm gonna put on the SRAM GX AXS derailleur, GX cranks aluminium, E13 Helix R purple chainring, KMC X12 chain. I think this is the Aurora blue color, but it looks like purple. And then the E13 bash guard and chain guide. So I didn't know that SRAM cranks have a specific like chainring size, whatever this is. So this E13 chainring I can use on this crank. So I just mounted up the rear derailleur, bash guard, chain guide and crank. All I've got left is the chain and wheels. But before I mount them up, I'm gonna pull up these rotor bolts, some purple ones. So now everything has been mounted on. The only thing left to do is to add the stickers on the shock, fork and rims. Oh, and also the bars. So this is the next day. I just finished up with the decals and all the final touches. So here's the bike. So I'm gonna be posting my first ride impressions of this beast in a couple of days. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for all of my upcoming videos. See ya.